How to fix CrowdStrike blue screen error. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix CrowdStrike blue screen death. A CrowdStrike BSOD indicates that a faulty update to CrowdStrike's Falcon sensor software caused your Windows system to crash. So to fix CrowdStrike blue screen death, the first thing you need to do is go to the advanced recovery options. Here's how you can do it. Press and hold the Shift key while clicking on Restart from the Start menu. This will bring you to the Recovery Options menu. From the Recovery Options, select Troubleshoot. Once you're there, select Advanced Options. And finally, select Command Prompt. A command prompt window will open. If you're unable to open the command prompt directly, you can boot your PC into safe mode. Once in safe mode, open the command prompt as an administrator. Now, in the command prompt, we're going to enter a specific command. Type the following command and press Enter. Del C/Windows/System32/Drivers/CrowdStrike/after/. You just need to write C, then dash. You will get this file named 000000291.sys. You need to change the name to C-000000291*.sys by placing an asterisk before the .sys extension. After typing the command, press Enter. The last step is to restart your computer. Click on Turn Off and then restart your PC. And that's it. Your PC should now restart without the blue screen error. And this is how to fix CrowdStrike blue screen death. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.